Welcome to the video on the kinesthetic and vestibular system. So this is your sense of position, or how the body kind of senses where your spine is and stuff. This is going to be the shortest video because you don't need to know too much about it, but it's pretty fun. So this system gives us feedback about our muscles and joints positions and movements. So the kinesthetic system monitors the position of various body parts. So this will be, your arms, your legs, your neck, your back, all of that. So most kinesthetic stimulation is transmitted to the brain along the same pathway as the tactile stimulation. In other words, it kind of joins up in the spinal cord and gets sent to the somatosensory cortex along with the tactile stimulation. Now, if we talk about the vestibular system, that's a little different. So the vestibular system responds to gravity and keeps you informed of your body's location in space. So the kinesthetic system tells you about the position of your body kind of within the body, whereas the vestibular system talks about your body in terms of what's going on outside the body. Okay, so it shares space in the inner ear with the auditory system. So there's part of the ear that's kind of fluid filled, and that's what helps keep body position information based on how that liquid in the ear is moving and how it's sitting. So the semicircular canals make up the largest part of the vestibular system. Again, because of that liquid that's in there, and your body's measuring the movement of that liquid in terms of body position. And this is very critical for keeping you oriented and balanced in space. Now, you might have heard of some people have vertigo. So what vertigo is when the body's not measuring the liquid within the semicircular canals correctly. And usually then that's because the receptors within the canals that measure the body position just aren't really there, and they're not working right. So it's sending information to your brain saying that your body's in one position when it's really not, and that kind of gives us that feeling of vertigo because you're not feeling that balanced. You're feeling like you're kind of off center and stuff, and so your body can't balance you right because it's getting improper information from the vestibular system. So just a reminder of what that looks like. So here we've got the auditory vestibular nerves to the brain. So the same nerves that send auditory information to the brain also send that vestibular information to the brain. And then we've got the semicircular canals up here that have all that liquid in them that's measuring position and orientation for the vestibular system. And so if the receptors here are not working right, then it's going to send improper information to the brain. So that's it for the kinesthetic and vestibular system. Hope you enjoyed it.